Whether you're an art enthusiast or just want to spruce up your space, framing magazine art can add a touch of whimsy and fun to your decor. Our frames have a 1/4 of an inch overlap. Keep this in mind while measuring and ordering. Our covers have protective film on both sides. Use a fingernail to peel up the corners and pull to remove the film before assembling your frame. Don't forget that there will be 2 protective films per cover, one on each side. After assembling your frame, insert backing springs by pressing the springs flat and sliding them between the rails and the foam core backing. Apply these every few inches. Insert the hanging wire brackets into the frame rail channel on the back of the frame and tighten the screws. Attach the hanging wire between the brackets. Twist the wire around itself on each end to secure.